So we are back here at the wall of my bedroom.
We can't go outside right now because it's really cold.
Yeah,
so we would like to film outside, but I'd be freezing to death.
Yeah, she would literally freeze to death.
It's like 35 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know how much is that in Celsius. I'll figure that out.
Basta tugnaw ke. Okay.
Tugnaw
So
siya, as in.
today is November 17th, and the question for today is, if we had to eat the same dinner every night for a month, what would you like it to be?
Sa Tagalogin natin.
Oh, sige ka na.
Kung kailangan just a sec. Kung kailangan mo kumain ng pare-parehong pagkain kada gabi sa isang buwan, ano ito?
Yes, that was right.
Yes.
Yes. So, exactly that one. And if it was Cebuano, kung magkaon.
Kabalo.
Kung
Sa
magkaon.
Bisaya ni siya is kung
magkaon
ang pagkaon kada gabi so sa kabulan maura gihapon kada gabi kinahanglan mao imong kanon sa panihapon unsa man ang gusto nimo. Okay, that's a Bisaya.
That seemed like a very long.
That's why we ask question in English kay ano ang taas ng Cebuano or Tagalog pag
taas kayo.
question nimo. Pero we will try to speak more native sa Philippines. Well, we try to speak some English too because we have some American viewers.
Right.
So that's why we're speaking.
And the main language that I speak is English.
Yes. So, but since we have a lot of subscribers from the Philippines, we will try to speak more Cebuano or Tagalog and some English too. So, can we have like rice, chicken, adobo, lechon? Pare-pareho naman every night.
That's true.
It doesn't say one recipe, one putahe, di ba? Oh, hindi sinabi isang recipe lang. Sabi lang, same dinner every night. No.
That's true. And
we can have ice cream on it. Pwedeng may ice cream, pwedeng may halo-halo. Lechon manok. If I have to eat same dinner every night.
yeah.
Mang inasal. How about that?
But if I had to choose one, it would be ice cream. She said it's not a valid dinner. I disagree.
No, that's not a dinner. What I like in mang inasal is the lechon, the hita part of the chicken or the pork barbecue there.
I've never been there. You've never taken me to Mang Inasal.
Oh, poor
Can you believe this one?
No. Well, I'll take you there when we go back there. Okay.
Yay.
Yeah.
I'll hold her up to it.
So if we had to eat the same dinner every night for a month, what would you like it to be? So leave a comment below and give us a thumbs up. Like and share this video and subscribe to our Rumble account. It's rumble.com and our channel is Firebrand Media.
Yes, and Mang Inasal, send her a thank you box. She'd really like your stuff. Because I want to try it sometime.
We'll see you guys next time.
We'll see ya. Bye.